ready to be investigated, and I'm ready for an impeachment. And I'm ready to resign if warranted. But that is my decision, and that is mine and mine alone. So anybody acting upon my orders will be treated as exercising good faith. Now, there is a law as related to us in the cabinet meeting by Secretary Guevara that when you are released based on a wrongful interpretation or a faulty construction of the law, you can be arrested anytime because you have to serve your sentence fully, as the order is null and void. There is an hiatus there. Kung sino talaga ang magpirma. So I'm taking over